Grant Thornton is a global accounting firm really helping businesses prepare for the future. And we certainly are living through change as we speak. Everyone really pivoted to a virtual environment overnight. We leaned back on technology to be able to keep us connected to our clients, to reach out to them, to keep us connected to our people. The pandemic helped us to strengthen our firm and prove to ourselves that we were flexible, we are agile, and we could adapt very quickly to the virtual world we're operating in today. We relied very heavily on our Microsoft relationship, and we were able to pivot to digital selling immediately. Proposal meetings that had historically been done in person, face-to-face, are now being done through Teams. We have access to the Power BI dashboards, Dynamics 365, all of the different account team notes, all of the latest information. You pull it right up on the screen, and everybody has access to it. Dynamics 365 improves our speed, it improves our accuracy with all that we're doing. It's helping us connect more broadly with clients, and it's helping us focus our time and our money, our resources on areas where we can really bring the greatest value to clients and where we can win as a firm. Thanks to the sound and really strong technology platform that we have on Microsoft, we really are making business more personal and building trust into every result.